Do you want to sleep well tonight? Here are 7 things you can do before going to bed. 1. Sleep is important for our health, but many things in our daily life can make it hard to sleep, like stress, anxiety, and using electronic devices too much. 2. Make your sleep environment comfortable. Your room should be cool, dark, quiet, and well ventilated. 3. Exercise. Regular physical activity can help you sleep better, but don't exercise right before bedtime. 4. Using phones or tablets before bed can make it hard to fall asleep. Try reading a book instead. 5. Watch what you eat and drink. Don't eat or drink anything with caffeine or sugar before bed. Foods with calming properties like grapefruit, mint, and beans can help you sleep better. 6. Try deep breathing. This simple technique can help you relax and sleep better. Find a calm and a quiet place. Sit or stand and take deep breaths until your stomach expands. 7. Find the source of your stress and anxiety. If you can't sleep because you're stressed or anxious, try reading books about physiology or light novels. Massage and listening to calming music can also help you relax and sleep better.